Are you looking for the best drones for mapping? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for mapping on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 is the most popular drone in the market. It's a great choice for those who look for a powerful drone. The sleek design makes it easy to control. The camera is superb and the flight time is quite impressive. The Mavic Air 2 has a flight time of 34 minutes, making it one of the longest flying drones. Longer flight time makes it possible to capture amazing footage. The Mavic Air 2 has a range of 10 kilometers, making it the farthest flying drone with its superb power transmission system. The 19 mph speed makes it the fastest drone. The powerful motors and aerodynamics make it further faster. The Mavic Air 2 has a half CMOS sensor, making it the best equipped drone. The high-quality camera takes the drone to the next level. This drone makes transport easy as it is smaller in size and weighs 570 g. Number 2. Parrot Anafi. Anafi is a powerful drone. The Anafi is a great drone for day-to-day life. It's small in size, so it can be carried out everywhere. It has a long flight time and range and makes it enables to cover a large surrounding area without fear of losing signal or battery run out. The flight time is of 25 minutes. This is a good flight time, especially for small light drones. The Anafi has a range of 4 kilometers, which makes it fly to a distance. The speed of 15 mph makes it a very fast drone. The fast flying can be a bit dangerous, so keep an eye on drones. And don't make it fly near people or objects. The Anafi has 4K videos and 16 MP photos. The videos are smooth and clear. The sensor is large and results in better capturing of videos and photos. This makes it to capture high-quality images even in dim light or at night. The Anafi is a small drone that makes it easy to carry anywhere. The 320 g weight makes it the lightest drone on the market. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise. The DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise is a powerful and versatile drone that is perfect for mapping. It's due to its long flight time, range and speed. This drone is designed for mapping applications and can be used in various situations. The DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise gives a 31-minute flight time that is quite impressive for pilots and allows them to cover a large portion of the ground. The drone has a range of 10,000 meters, which is best for mapping projects. It can cover a large area. The long range helps in covering a larger area without even losing the signal. The 72 km/h speed makes it the fastest drone, which can be useful for mapping and can cover a large area in a shorter span of time. The DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise is equipped with a high-resolution camera providing superb image quality. The camera has a 2x optical zoom lens, which can be useful in getting closer shots. The DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise is small enough to get easily transportable. The drone has a weight of 899 g. This makes it the best drone for large mapping distances. Number 4. DJI Phantom for RTK:. The DJI Phantom for RTK is the best professional drone in the market for surveying. This is an excellent high-quality drone with RTK capabilities, which makes it more reliable for use. The DJI Phantom for RTK allows large projects and has 1-inch CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbals. The 5870 mAh battery can keep drone flight up to 30 minutes. The RTK can collect spatial data up to centimeters accurately. The swappable lithium battery, SD card for survey data, and 4G connectivity for cloud-based backup allow easy flight. The 4RTK is a professional mapping drone that measures centimeter-level accuracy. The built-in surveying ability of the RTK module makes it further good in the market. The Phantom for RTK is a reliable tool for mapping. This has a GNSS module and an IMU for positioning. The RTK has a flight time of 30 minutes, which is enough for mapping projects. The 7 km range is sufficient for mapping projects. The longer range helps the drone to fly in difficult environments. The 36 mph speed is fast enough for mapping a large area of ground. The 1CMOS sensor camera that captures 20MP images with 84-degree field video gives the best image quality. The 350mm size is suitable for even cars. If you need to transport it, it's light enough to carry with a weight of 1,391 g. Number 5. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is a professional-grade drone that gives a top-line performance. This drone is designed not only for mapping but also if you are a professional photographer and you need aerial shots, then this is a must-go. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth, steady footage. The obstacle avoidance system avoids any type of collision. The flight time is up to 27 minutes with powerful batteries in it. The flight time is quite impressive. The range of 7 kilometers is more than enough for most drones. The range allows getting the shots without losing the power. The Inspire 2 is a fast drone with 94 kilometers per hour. This makes it the fastest drone in the market. It's suitable for those who want to get quick shots. Long-range pilots also appreciate the high speed as it can cover large portions of ground in a shorter span. This drone is designed for professional photographers who have a high-quality camera. The drone doesn't have a camera but is compatible with many different types or kinds of cameras. The Inspire 2 is a large drone with a diagonal size of 23.8 inches, which makes it the best drone in the market. Its weight is 3,440 g, makes it a bit heavier.